Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, May 18, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed sharply lower on Friday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling around 1.1%, the S&P 500 declining 1.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropping over 1.5% as rising oil prices and higher bond yields triggered profit booking in technology stocks. Investor sentiment remained pressured by inflation concerns and ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, although AI and semiconductor stocks continue to show relative resilience. Asian markets are trading mostly negative today, with the Nikkei and Hang Seng down over 1%, while the Kospi showed some gains. Investor sentiment across Asia remains cautious as markets balance strong AI-led global tech momentum against elevated crude oil prices, inflation concerns, and ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,563, thereby indicating a flat to negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading volatile and higher as hopes of easing Middle East supply concerns pressure, while ongoing geopolitical tensions amid escalations and uncertainty around U.S.-Iran talks support. Gold prices are trading steady, supported by safe haven demand and expectations of future rate cuts, although improved global equity sentiment is limiting stronger upside momentum. Vodafone Idea reported a sharp turnaround in Q4, posting a net profit of 51,970 crore rupees compared to a loss of 5,286 crore rupees in the previous quarter. The profit was largely driven by an exceptional gain, while investors continue to monitor the company's debt situation and operational recovery. Tata Steel delivered a strong Q4 performance, with consolidated net profit surging 147% YoY to 2,965 crore rupees from 1,201 crore rupees last year. The growth was supported by improved operational performance and better realizations across key segments. Power Finance Corporation has moved ahead in its proposed merger process with REC Limited after its board approved, seeking formal consent from the President of India. The proposed merger could create a larger power sector financing entity with stronger operational synergies. Given the elevated crude oil prices after fresh drone attacks in the UAE, as well as negative sentiment in the Asian markets, Nifty is expected to open in the red today. Levels may be kept the same as what we mentioned in Friday's post-market report, with supports being at 23,560, followed by 23,400, while resistances will be at 23,760, followed by 23,900. Range-bound trading with a negative bias can be expected today with an open close to or slightly below the mentioned support. Elevated crude oil prices, ongoing geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, and persistent FII selling continue to pose risks for Indian markets by pressuring inflation expectations, the rupee, and overall investor sentiment. Strong momentum in global AI and technology stocks, resilient domestic institutional buying, and continued healthy Q4 earnings from Indian corporates could help support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 1,329 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 1,959 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 18, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.